Hello, everybody. Mr. Rubo here, and today we are talking topic 3.1, periodic phenomena. So we're going to have a couple definitions here and then do a couple examples. So a periodic relationship between two variables occur when the output values demonstrate a repeating pattern over successive equal length intervals. The period of a periodic function is the length of the x values that it takes for the function to repeat to complete one cycle. So in other words, it's just a pattern that keeps repeating itself the same over and over again, technically forever, for the functions we're going to look at. Okay, so here we have this this graph, and they tell us here the function f is periodic with period 4. So in other words, every 4 x values, it starts repeating itself. A portion of the graph is shown above. Draw 2 additional periods for the graph of f on the axis above. So if we look at this, highlight this. So if I go from where it starts here, I go 1, 2, 3. Oops, that's interesting. 3, 4. So that's 4 units in the x direction. It then starts again. Starts down here at 1, goes up to 5. I'm sorry, goes up to 3, stays at 3, and then goes down back to 1. And then the pattern is going to keep repeating. So again, we're going to go ahead, and again, you're kind of matching up what it has each time. So it's going to go boom, 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 and then that's one period, one more period, I should say, and then we go one more after that. So we're going to start here, go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, stay at 3, and then drop down back to 1. So there we go. There is 2 extra periods of this periodic function. Okay. All right, and then in this example, it gives us this portion of the graph. It says a portion of the graph of the periodic function is shown above. What is the least value, possible value of g? Of the value, I can't talk today. The period of g. I'm pretend I can read. So when we look at this, we want to see when it starts repeating. So what I would look at, is just find a very key point, and hopefully you can kind of see the repeating nature of this, especially with these graphs when they go on forever. There's not necessarily a good starting point, but I like to go from like bottom to bottom, right? If you have that kind of same pattern, you only see that once per each one. We can just count from here to here and just go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means our period is 5, right? And you could technically do this from any point. Like if we had done here, okay, this is the point right before it starts going down. So that would be the corresponding point. And if you count there, right? Oh, my pencil's not working anymore, but oh, there we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, it's still the same, right? That's the thing with these, is if it's periodic, you can technically count from any point and find its corresponding point, and they will always be the same. So again, you can go from here to here. That's also 5. Like, it's not a very hard thing to do. You just look for that that point that corresponds in the next period and count it. Okay. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.